Instead of building pipelines that constantly break, Minexa.ai lets both developers and non-developers define a scraper once and reuse it reliably to scrape event listings seamlessly. Go to your data source page. Minexa automatically identifies the structure as it appears in the browser, so no HTML inspection or setup is needed. Click the Minexa.ai extension. It handles the complexity so you just focus on the page. Press the button so Minexa.ai begins analyzing how the page is built and how its data is distributed visually and structurally. Minexa.ai found the pagination. Every run will automatically move through all pages and collect the full dataset. Select whether to scrape only what is visible on the list, or also navigate into each row and extract its full detail page. Click Continue if the data is already visible. Switch to Advanced mode if you need to trigger something on the page first. If the highlighted section looks correct, click Create Scraper and complete the training. All columns are generated. Select what you need and they will be included in every future run. This includes event titles, dates, locations, and registration links from the event listings. Click API Request to get Python code that returns structured progress and error details so you can handle them in your own application. Looks good. Click Complete Configuration to save your scraper and continue. Pagination is locked in. Every run will automatically move through all pages and collect the full dataset. Your scraping job is ready. Optionally connect Google Sheets and every run will push fresh data there automatically. Click Run. Each field is pulled from its exact DOM mapped selector, ensuring consistent column-level extraction across every page. What you are looking at was pulled directly from the right spot on the page. Each column was locked to a specific element during training, so prices, dates, and locations are never mixed up. Missing fields show as blank rather than guessed, and running this again on the same page gives you the exact same result. Here, you can see webinar titles, dates, times, hosts, and ticket availability, all extracted cleanly. Download as Excel for quick analysis or JSON for plugging into tools and pipelines. With Minexa.ai, the web becomes a structured database you can query, automate, and scale, starting with any page you choose.